guys. It's Thomas with Hook and Holler Outdoors.
And I'm Noah with Dixie Limited Hat Co.
Today I'm going to be shooting an Impala 12 gauge that I won in a raffle.
And I'm shooting a 12 gauge Browning Maxus that I bought.
You hit it the first time. I wanted to hit it better. Good. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Get Ember and me. Mark. Mark. Good dog. Fetch it up. Find it, girl. Find it, girl. Find it, girl. Find it, girl. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Smart. Find it, girl. Find it, girl. Find it, girl. Find it, girl. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Good doggy. Good dog. Oh, both of these. Mark. Mark. Hey, sit. Sit. Mark. Find it, girl. Find it, girl. Find it, girl. Find it, girl. Good dog. Good dog. Come on. Hey, hey, come on. Come on. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Come on. Good puppy dog. Come here. Good dog. Heel. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Mark. Mark. Fetch it up, girl. Fetch it up, girl. Come on. Come on.